Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to clean the waterfalls and my sister is working here. So I'm going to help them clean the waterfalls kasi ang dami ng basura. May mga bagay kasi na kailangan ng itapon, lalo na kung alam natin na ito yung nakakasawa na. So we have just arrived at the waterfalls of Villa Azorcon. So here we are right now. So that's the waterfalls and some of their staffs are busy cleaning the waterfalls. So I'm going to help. So I'm done helping them cleaning the waterfalls and it's time for me to chill for a moment kasi I'm exhausted, tied up. So and I am the early bird here. So nice to be here. So this is the waterfalls and this is overflowing. So nice to be here. Whew. Ang ginaw. Parang kayo ng jowa mo, habang tumatagal, lumalamig. So we are now done cleaning the waterfalls. As you can see, malinis na, wala na yung mga basura. So parang relasyon lang, kailangan linisin yung mga taong alam nating nakakasira. So thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you so much.